Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python glossary. Let's see what is it. So this is the list of all the features explained in the Python tutorial. Okay, so this is the last lesson for the Python, and these are the different kind of features that are available in Python tutorial. Okay, so we have discussed all kind of terms, and these are the basic terms which I want to introduce you. That is why I am taking this lecture right now. Okay, so you can see the first one is indentation. You know what is indentation mean. Indentation is a very important thing. It is just a space. So if you're writing any space, you have to provide all the spaces, because we should write those things in their term only. We should not disturb their term. Okay. After that, these are the few kinds of terms that are available here. So here on screen, you can see that inside the numbers, they're int, float, and complex. Okay. So these are the different kind of terms that are available here. Like numbers, there are three numeric types in Python, that is int, float, and complex. So inside the int, the integer number type, float is the floating number type, and the complex is the complex number type. So different kind of terms that are available. We have studied about all these things in previous classes also. I'm just giving you the basic terms so you will be able to refresh every single thing that you have studied. So these are the basic terms that are available right now. And then you can see list. A list is an ordered and unordered form, and it can be changeable, and it is a collection. Okay, these are the different kind of terms that are available here. I have mentioned all the statements here. So if you want to read all these kind of terms, or while reading, you just pause this video and just read it and write it on your notebooks, or you can make a note from it. Okay, so these are the basic kind of else, for else, nested loop, and then why we use lambda functions, and these kind of questions that are available here. Okay, so I hope you understood what all the functions that are available here. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.